Well, good afternoon. It's been a couple of days since I've filmed anything. I had a little accident on Monday and fell down and hit my head on the edge of a table. So I've been in the house on the couch for a couple of days with a headache. And anyway, I'm up and about today. And anyway, I thought I'd take you along on this. Oh, what a day! I got up this morning and decided I was going to dig to the back of my shed so I could get those bicycles out, and I got a weight bench back there. I promised I could give my my nephew. So I come out here this morning, opened up the doors, and as I got home from the hospital in December, every time I moved in the house, something was in the way, and I would tell somebody, well, just go out and throw it in the shed for me. Go out and throw it in the shed for me. Oh, that's in the way. Throw it in the shed for me. So anyway, I'm going to open up the doors and I'm going to show you what I'm dealing with here. But anyway, this shed that I have here about 5 years ago got about 3 feet of snow on it, and it collapsed. So I spent a little time rebuilding it, and I jacked it up in the air a little bit, and so I could stand up in it. But anyway, I'll show you how this thing looks. Let me move over a little bit. Maybe you can kind of see the roof. I really had to straighten out the roof on it, but anyway, that's the sides didn't turn out too bad. I don't know if I can get up high enough where you can kind of see that roof. But anyway, the roof I ended up putting some plywood on and some paper, some tar paper, so nothing leaked. And anyway, I kind of redid the front of it here also. So here's the doors that I come up with. So I'll tell you what, let's just go up here and open this baby up so you can take a look here. All right, we got a chain over here to open it up. All right, so here we go. Just a few bottles and cans and chairs and tables and oh goodness, what do you think? What a mess. But I got to dig my way to the back here and dig some stuff out. But as I dig stuff out, anybody sees anything that they want, let me know. I'm going to get rid of most of this stuff. Anyway, we'll see you in a bit. Well, good afternoon, YouTube. Sorry I haven't put out a video in a while. I was doing a bunch of filming and cleaning up my shed and doing a few things around the property, and then I realized that my SD card was corrupted, so I lost all those files. Anyway, I'm sitting in my little shed. My son, he was nice enough to come over last week and help me move some of the big stuff out, and got all the furniture cleaned up and got it on Craigslist. So anyway, we'll just do a short little thing here and show you that let me pan around here. You can see I can get back to my bicycles now, and I will probably make a video on that last bike that I built there. It's quite the beast. But anyway, I got a weight bench sitting here for my nephew. He's in high school, and he wanted some steel weights and a good weight bench. So I'm gonna donate this to him so he has something to work out with. But anyway, we are going to shut this thing off and we're going to move on to something else now that we are done with this. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to take all this stuff and start cleaning it up and getting rid of it. Okay, we're going to move over to the shop to do a couple of things. Alrighty, we're back. Well, the first order of the day is I got a tree that fell over. It was an old dead stump, really, that I just kept it up all these years for the birds. But anyway, we're going to get a little dangerous. Double-Amputee. We're going to be running a chainsaw. Anyway, we're going to see if this old beast will start, and we'll get busy. Okay, we got that project done. Got the chainsaw running there and didn't chop off any toes, so... Oh wait, I don't have any toes. But anyway, we managed to make it through that all right. It's pretty hard to balance, and if you noticed after the first piece of wood that I cut, it kind of pulled me forward a little bit, and it's really hard to balance when you only have one stub on the left, and then you're trying to balance with the knee and down at the bottom, and it's kind of like standing on, remember those old square boards that had the ball in the middle and you tried to stand on it and went every way, you had to use your whole body to try to balance? Well, that's what it's like all the time walking on these prosthetics. So, but anyway, we got her done. So after that first piece I cut, I just, right when I got down to the bottom, I had to throttle it down a little bit because when I got to the bottom, it started to drag just a little bit and started pulling me forward, and I couldn't keep my balance. So we got to be safe. Safety always. But anyway, I was going to start my next project. I got some work to do on my car because I'm going to be driving soon. And anyway, I'm starting to swell up a little bit in the legs, so I need to quit for the day, and I'll get out here tomorrow and get started on the car. So for now, this is all you get. We'll talk to you later. Bye.